Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, I'm Ty, and I'm all about helping you navigate the world of personal finance and entrepreneurship. Today, we're diving into a hot topic, starting your business with Tailor Brands. Whether you're looking to set up an LLC or launch your first venture, Tailor Brands is one of the many services out there that promises to simplify the process. But is it worth it? Let's find out. First off, what is Tailor Brands? Essentially, it's a platform that helps aspiring entrepreneurs set up their business. From filing your LLC paperwork to offering add-on services like business insurance and compliance checks, Tailor Brands markets itself as a one-stop shop for new business owners. If you're completely new to starting a business, Tailor Brands can feel like a lifesaver because it simplifies some of the more confusing steps. But as with many services, there are pros and cons you need to know about. Let's start with the positives. Here are some reasons why Tailor Brands might be a great fit for you. Pro number 1, ease of use. Tailor Brands simplifies the LLC formation process by walking you through step by step. For beginners, this can take away a lot of the stress. Pro number 2, bundled services. They offer add-ons like registered agent services, operating agreement templates, and compliance reminders. These are all things that can help you stay organized and legally compliant. Third pro, professional presentation. If you want to hit the ground running, Tailor Brands can help you create a professional image quickly, which is great if you're pitching to clients or investors. The fourth pro, customer support. If you're unsure about something, Tailor Brands offers support to answer your questions. That's a big plus for new entrepreneurs. Now let's talk about the downsides. Because while Tailor Brands can be convenient, it's not perfect. Here are some things to watch out for. First con, extra costs. This is a big one. Some of the service Tailor Brands offers, like getting your EIN number, which everyone should know is your employer identification number from the IRS, can actually be done for free. But if you're not aware, you might end up paying them extra to handle it. Con number 2, upselling. Tailor Brands is known for recommending additional services that you might not actually need, like business line of credit packages or premium compliance services. While these can be helpful, they're not essential for everyone. Con number 3, do-it-yourself options. If you're willing to do some research, many of the steps Tailor Brands handles, like filing for an LLC or creating an operating agreement, can be done on your own at a lower cost. Fourth con, lack of customization. While the templates and services are convenient, they might not be tailored, pun intended, to your specific business needs. So, who is Tailor Brands really for? Here's my take. If you're completely new to starting a business and feel overwhelmed by all the steps, Tailor Brands can help you get started quickly and easily. If you value convenience over cost and are willing to pay for the extra services, this platform might be worth it. Now, I want to keep it real with you for a moment. I started my new business on Tailor Brands. It was very helpful, but as I said, I quickly found out that you could quickly spend a lot more than you intended if you don't know what you're looking for. So if you know what you're about to go buy, so I encourage anyone to do the research. If you know what you're going to go buy, like you want to pay for your LLC and that's it, just get that. Do the research on some of the things they're offering you as you go through the process. That is what I recommend, because a lot of the services were very helpful. Like I did do my web page on Tailor Brands because it was simple and I liked their layout. I bought my domain name on Tailor Brands again because it was simple and it's all right there. But there are still some services that you might have to get outside of Tailor Brands. For example, back to the domains. If you buy a domain on Tailor Brands, you have to go outside of Tailor Brands for hosting. Typically, if you go to any other domain website or someone that sells domains, they offer free hosting if you buy your domain with them. Again, that's just some of the small things that I noticed. And if you do want a more customizable website, if you are really good at that stuff, you might want to have your own web builder instead of Tailor Brands web builder. And they also allow you to do things like connect emails and things like that. But if you already have these services, or you want to connect what you already have to more, you might just be better off paying more on what you already have, because Tailor Brands is going to link you to things, but of course they're going to take a little bit because they are servicing you. Just a few quick things that I dealt with personally. Here are some tips to make the most of Tailor Brands if you decide to use them. Tip number 1, do your research. Before signing up, make a list of what your business actually needs. For example, do you already know how to get an EIN number? If so, skip paying Tailor Brands to do so for you. Second tip, watch for upsells. Be cautious when adding services to your package. Stick to the essentials. Third tip, compare costs. Take a moment to compare Tailor Brands pricing with other platforms like LegalZoom or Zen Business. You might find a better deal elsewhere. So there you have it, the pros and cons of starting your business with Tailored Brands. While it's a solid option for beginners, it's important to understand the extra cost and do your research beforehand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on entrepreneurship and personal finance. And if you've used Tailor Brands, drop a comment below and share your experience. Until next time, I'm Ty, and this is VA Money Matters. Take care and happy entrepreneuring. Peace.